Trouble Town, Samira.
I have committed the ultimate MasterChef crime. My dish is undercooked.
The clock's ticking and I need to get something on a plate, but everything is going wrong. Anything that could go wrong is going wrong. I can't get these domes to go together. If I can at least get something on a plate, I'm hoping somehow I can stay out of the bottom three. And then it's just not going to be ready. Worse still, I've just realised that my sesame nougatine is not going to be ready. It's just one disaster after another. I've got nothing to put on the plate with the nougatine, and the dome is like some sad horror show.
Donut!
How good are those and all?
Oh, thank you.
I'm hoping the custard can be a bit of a surprise inside, yeah. I really want to be in that top three.
I'm doing poached eggs on toast. It's a buttermilk panna cotta that kind of looks like a poached egg with a tangelo and maple syrup yolk. That's going to be placed on top of some cake that's fried in butter to kind of look like toast. So I've taken the cake out of the oven. I just have to slice that to look like a piece of toast. I'm going to get that onto a hot pan in some butter, get it nice and golden and crispy on both sides. But there's an issue. I've realised that I haven't got enough time to chill down that fried cake. I've realised that placing my panna cotta onto the hot toasted cake, it's just going to melt.
Looking good, smelling good, but you've only got 3 minutes. Come on! Come on, Ben.
I've decided to play upon the concept of a boiled egg inside of a charred onion skin and an onion broth. So the first step for me is to plate the salsa verde. I create just a little well in the middle, and on top of that, I place the egg, and just on top of that is the charred onion skin. I'm really happy with the way the dish looks. I've met all the brief, but I'm umming and ahhing as to whether or not I'll keep the onion broth or not. The judges are always telling us, if you're not happy with an element of the dish, don't plate it. And that's why I decided not to plate it. I just hope that it is the right decision.
2 minutes to go. Come on!
It's time to plate my dish. I'm really pushing myself today. I want it to be a top 3 dish. I can only cross my fingers and hope that I've got a shot at it.
It's the last minute, so I pipe the Italian meringue and blowtorch it, and they look beautiful, and I'm really pleased with the overall result.
Final top 10! 1 minute to go! Come on, come on. Looks beautiful, Jess.
I should have enough of the flavor, and that should give them the surprise.
What was that, Lisa?
How much left?
30 seconds! Oh, no, guys, 30 seconds more! Come on! Lead up. Come on, come on, come on.
It's the moment of truth. I feel pleased with my cobbler. Hopefully, surprise element will be enough to keep me away from the bottom 3.
Listen up, 10 seconds. 9,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That's it. Time's up.
Well done, guys.
Yeah,
Good job, guys.
You all right? Tell me you're all right.
I'm all right.
How'd you go, mate?
In time.
Beautiful.
I'm taking a big risk because I'm doing 2 complete different things.
Are you okay? Come here.
I'm not okay.
It's going to taste amazing, and you're going to get through because it's going to taste incredible. Just chill. It's going to be okay.
It's a disaster.
No.
Positive, positive, positive.
Well, guys, you had 75 minutes to produce something delicious that would give us a little ooh and a little ah, a little surprise inside. Let's see how you went. Chloe, you're first up.
When I take my dish up to the judges, my heart's pounding. I would love it if the judges were happy and they found it as delicious as I do and my family does.
What are they?
They're little lemon meringue shoes.
Want one? Come to the stairs.
Oh. Back you go. Back to your airy.
Oh, holy schmoly.
Oh. Oh.
That's proper rock and roll, that is.
I
Here,
redeem
pass that
myself.
back to Jenny.
Yeah.
Or take a bit yourself.
Gary, Gary, I might need to taste a bit with that.
Oh, hey, stop. Have you not tasted a bit?
No. Oh,
Here,
Jenny.
cut it in half, eat half. I'll save you. Bloody delicious.
Good?
The curd, it's the lightness of the profiterole, it's the crunch of that thin layer of sablé, and that has just made me so happy.
Where did it go? Just poof, in your mouth, disappears.
Remember this moment, because this was the moment when you seriously made us 3 happy chappies.
To make them so happy with just my food, like, I think life's a little bit complete.
Aldo, your turn.
Chocolate Nutella heart cake with sour cherries and vanilla ice cream.
It's a great ice
It's a
cream.
really good ice cream. That's the bit I'm excited by.
Well done, Aldo.
Very well.
Jenny.
Vietnamese mochi cake. The surprise is that you would think it's a sweet, but when you cut inside, it's actually savoury.
I love that idea. I tend to lose the whole it's sweet thing when you put cucumber and carrot on it. You need to fool us in lots of ways.
Next up, Loki.
Surprise bag with minced lamb and Szechuan sauce.
That is super delicious. Well done, Loki.
Thank you.
Good job.
Huda, your turn.
Middle Eastern style pancake, which is stuffed with mixed nuts.
You made this dish lots before?
Yeah, I've made it at home.
You've got to challenge yourself. You made these before.
I will.
They're
wonderful.
They're still very delicious.
Thank you.
Up next, Samira. Tell us what you cooked.
It's a berry cobbler with spiced rum and cherry jam.
What's the surprise?
As you dig into cobbler, it's supposed to be nice and juicy.
That's it. So there's no surprise. It's a cobbler.
The cobbler's not cooked in the middle. That's a problem. When you go in the middle, and then when I was looking at the ice cream, it gets all doughy.
Oh, didn't have the middle bit.
You can see it's pretty blonde there. When you get in here...
The outside bit.
When you get in here, you see, look at that.
Oh, yes.
Well, let's have a look.
Oh, that for me is a major miss. And you missed the brief.
Oh. Trouble Town, Samira.
I have committed the ultimate MasterChef crime. My dish is undercooked.
Tim, you're next.
I'd really love to be given the opportunity to cook for immunity, but I'm just a little bit hesitant. I'm still deciding if it was the right decision for me to leave the broth off or not.
What's the dish?
So I've called it charred onion. What I've prepared for you guys is just a little salsa on the bottom with pine nuts, capers, anchovies, parsley. And I took an onion skin, an onion film on top, and then below that is a soft-boiled egg, and I just torched the onion on top.
So the surprise is the oozy egg, yeah?
Correct.
So it looks like an onion, egg inside.
Yes.
Let's have a look.
Oh, wow. Wow. That looks so good.
I'm incredibly relieved because it's very much gooey.
I'm being bold and going for a big mouthful because it looks great. Let's hope it delivers. It's absolutely delicious. It's like a ray of sunshine. I think that's a cracking dish. Well done, Tim.
Thank you.
A lot of effort went into that onion stock, yeah?
I didn't actually end up putting it on the plate because I didn't balance it enough.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay, you didn't use it at all.
I left it off.
The secret of success in the MasterChef kitchen is leaving off sauces that are too bitter or that you're not happy with and going with what you've got. And what you've done is given us a beautiful, clean, stripped-back dish.
That, if you want to call it salsa on the bottom, is just fabulous because it sort of cuts through all the richness of the egg yolk. That's exceptional cooking. Well done, Tim.
That is a dish I'm going to remember.
That's the dish you're going to make yourself.
I'm incredibly relieved. I know there are some really good dishes that were cooked today. I just hope it makes me eligible for top 3.